Hey, what's up, y'all? My name is Warren Wood. I'm with the Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom, and today I'm going to talk about the 4 things to do before going appliance shopping or even beer shopping, and how they kind of apply to each other. So, when going appliance shopping, it's really important to know what your dimensions are. It seems pretty straightforward, but I mean, a lot of people that I helped out here, they came in, they didn't know, so it's kind of hard to gauge on what they need. If they need something that's like a 36-inch wide, where it's going to fit in this good space, or if they have a more traditional top-mount refrigerator that's about 30 inches wide. So knowing that before you walk in is going to make your trip a lot faster. But when it comes to beer, it's going to make your trip, just as much faster and more practical, you know. So I mean, if you have a fridge like this, it's all filled up with a whole bunch of food and everything, you probably can't go to the store and buy a 30 rack. You're going to have to either buy a couple bombers, maybe a 6-pack, but it's a little more practical that way. Another thing to discuss is, why are you appliance shopping? Are you going in just to see what the market's like? Are you going in because you're a specific type of cooker? For example, if you're a big pasta cooker, right, you're probably going to need water to boil pretty quickly. So on certain ranges, there's different BTUs. So knowing what BTUs you need before you go appliance shopping is going to make that experience, once again, faster. Because the fact of the matter is, nobody really wants to go appliance shopping. They do it because it's necessity, or they want to make the kitchen just look a little bit better. So finding that out is going to just, like I said, make it a little quicker. Same thing with beer. So how you use it. Are you with your buddies for the weekend? Are you going to have a couple just at home watching the game or something? Because if you're with your buddies, you might be shotgunning some beers. You might just be pounding beers left and right. So you're probably going to buy something like, Bud Light, Coors Light, something easy to drink that you can put down. Or if you're trying to enjoy it, go with your IPA, go with like a nice stout, something along those lines. All right, another thing to know is who's using it. So, I mean, if you're shopping for your significant other, you're shopping for yourself, it's important to know what that person wants. It's important to know what you want, because what they want is what you're going to end up buying. So, if I want something that's going to have a lot of space inside to where I can put a whole bunch of pots and pans in, then it's going to make a little more sense for me to get something with a third rack. As a third rack, I can go ahead and take out the silverware thing and just put more pans in there. It's going to clean them a little better that way, and it's not going to look like I just threw a whole bunch of stuff in there. It'll be a little more organized. On the other side of that, it's what's the use? So the occasion. Why are you actually going appliance shopping? Why are you going beer shopping? Has it been a rough day? Do you need to throw a couple back just to release some of the stress? Or like, is this thing broken? Like, do I need to repair this as soon as I can? Because at that point, you need to decide if you're ready to buy. If you're ready to buy, then on an item like a refrigerator, dishwasher, you need them quick, then just be ready to spend a couple bucks on whatever appliance you decide to go with. If it's something like a microwave, just be ready to get some beginning information, or if maybe they find you something you want, you can go ahead and spend that money right then and there, and be over with your day, get back home, grab your 6-pack, and have a good time, but that's all I got with the 4 things to do before appliance shopping and beer shopping. Like and subscribe to our page, and thank you very much for watching.